Sabi ko, honey, I'm just joking. They're inside. Nagalit si Mr. Nagalit siya, guys. Sabi siya, there is a big bear. I heard, oh.
No, not until she told me the bears don't make noise first.
The dog was over there barking, okay? And sabi ko, bakit sila tahol ng tahol? Pinapasok ko sila dito, and then few minutes later, may narinig si Tami na, Han. Still there, Han. And then, hindi ako maniwala kasi hindi man mag-ganyan-ganyan ang bear, I think. Pero, nung nakatindig ako sa door, nakaspasok na kami dito lahat, ang lakas, guys. Lumabas ako. Who's kid?
Some kid that she goes a house away and keeps shooting things. She was Harold Hayes kid. I can understand why.
The hair or there?
I don't know. I guess over there. I said, what the hell's wrong with his parents, really? They let him go around and shoot little animals. He's still out there suffering. That's fucking crazy. And now he's making noises, which means the coyotes will find him and eat him alive, which really sucks.
No.
Kids shot on Saturday and they couldn't find him.
Yeah, but that's really the sound big.
That's what I said.
The deer wouldn't make a noise like that.
I don't know. I have no idea what kind of noise a deer would make when he's suffering. I have no idea.
Good night. He wants to go out, guys, and look at the bear or the deer. The bear, right? Yeah.
I won't have a problem.
The thing, I want to go to the porch, look over there. Look at over there, and because we can see.
You know what I'm saying? He comes running. He'll run right through the fence. The fence won't even slow him down. You know that, right?
Serious?
Yeah. Won't even slow him down. Bear weighs thousands of pounds. Really? Could a car drive through the fence without a problem? So could a bear.
I mean the porch.
Come running around on the porch too. They'll bust the railings on the porch and everything coming up.
I know, but I want to go into the side of the house while I'm leaning here, and then I'm worried if I'm leaning and then he's behind me.
Yeah, that could be a problem.
Oh yeah. What are you gonna do? If
I would have to get in his way. I would have to slow him down by getting between you and him to give you time to get away from him.
But I'm in the edge of the porch here.
Yeah, but he would come after me.
But you don't even know I'm going out.
A whole other thing. What I know about, I don't even know you're out there.
I'm ready to go out.
That's why I told you not to go out there, because I told you think you could be outrun a bear, but you cannot.
Yeah, but you wanna go out and go walking chicken.
I know.
Like you know what you do? You cannot even run.
I know. I'm not expecting to have to run.
Oh, nako, my husband.
Well, it doesn't matter whether I can run or not. I still couldn't outrun a bear. I'm not stupid.
You won't even walk with me. Anyway, guys, so it's very scary, guys. That's the first time I heard it, like a roaring, like
because when the bears came into the yard, they weren't making any noise. They were peaceful, looking for food. They weren't growling. They weren't mad. They weren't. This bear is mad. Something.
Oh, that's mad sound.
Yeah, something's got him. Something's got him pissy.
Allah, maybe because I take the dog in.
Well, did you see any? Well,
Because I took the dog in.
Well, maybe because the dogs were barking at him. When the bears were in the yard, did you see them get pissy? Did you see them growling? No, they didn't make any noises. They were just looking for food. Yes, they busted the fence, but they were just looking for food.
Okay, what is the reason why they growl?
Because something's irritating them. Another animal, something is irritating them.
That's scary, honey. I wish we can have friends. We can be friends with them. Ito, guys, i-add ko to sa video dito, guys. Ang nangyari kagabi bago ko pinapasok itong mga aso kagabi dito. Hindi ni Tami alam kasi busy sa telepono sa kapatid niya. So, tahol ng tahol yung aso. Pagkatapos, ang nangyari, pinapasok ko, no. Alam ni Tami na lumabas ako. Ang hindi niya alam, pinapasok ko yung dalawang aso. Kasi basta mga ganong oras, guys, alas 9 or alas 10 ng gabi, and then mag-ingay ang mga aso, bawal na. I mean, hindi man bawal. Parang courtesy na lang sa mga kapitbahay na magtatrabaho pa kinabukasan. Pinapasok ko dito. And then nag-alala din ako kasi andun sila sa pinakalikuran, nagtahol, parang meron silang nakita. And then, hindi pa namin alam na may hayop doon na sobrang laki sa likuran, nandun sa mga kakahuyan, nakatingin ata sa mga aso, and then yung aso nakatingin sa kanya. Ang nangyari, guys, pinapasok ko yung aso dito. Pagkatapos, guys, alam nyo ba, the next, mga few minutes later, guys, si Tami, nagmamadali, Tinitignan niya na flashlight kasi we always bring flashlight sa outside kapag gabi. Wala man doon. Open ni Tami itong door. Sabi pa niya, is the dog in? Taranta siya ba? Wala pa akong alam. And then, ang sabi ko, no, they're both outside. Kasi na ano ako guys, kasi sobrang ingay ng aso na naglagot ko ba kung sa Bisaya pa na nairita ako sa kanya. Hindi walang pakialam, nandun sa cellphone palagi. So guys, nakita ko siya guys. Nagbaktas siya dito guys. Then, tumayo ako. Sabi ko, anong ginagawa nitong lalaking ito? So, lumabas ako. Paglabas ko, sabi ko, honey, I'm just joking. They're inside. Nagalit si Mr. Nagalit siya guys. Sabi siya, ano yung sinabi niyang word? Basta kayo nagalit siya sa akin dahil na-joke, it's not a good joke. That's stupid. That's something yung sinabi niya. That's not a good joke. I hear the beer. Nandun daw sa labas, sabi ko, you're right. A beer, nag-ungol daw yung ano, sabi ko. And then, nag-hang up na yung kapatid kasi naglaalis na kami ni Tami kasi si Tami nairita. And then sabi ko, nairita din ako. Sabi ko, you're not paying attention to the dog. Sabi ko, wala akong pakialam kung nandun yung kapatid. Sa tele, you're not paying attention to the dog. The dog's making a lot of noise. And then, what if there's animals? And then Tami said, yes, there's animals. And then you're ignoring the dog, sabi ko. So, kaya pumasok na kami ditong dalawa. And then yung aso, andito na sa loob. Dito ako nakatayo, guys, na ganun lang, alam nyo naman, palagi tayo nasa cellphone. Nakatayo ako dito sa sliding door. Naka-close na ba? Naka-close na lahat, wala na. And then yung TV is very quiet kasi matulog na nga kami. Narinig ko man yun. Yun na yun siya. Yun na yung narinig na, ganun, guys. First time kong narinig yun, guys. So, kaya yun yung dahilan. Nagalit pa Tami sa akin kasi natakot siya. Nataranta ang kigwada. Nataranta, lagyan din, pinag-joke-jokean ko pa siya. Kami ng asawa ko ngayon, si Tami. Nagkakilala po kami, through dating site din, kung saan ko nakilala yung nagdala sa akin dito. Yun na nga, pag yung wala na ayo among relasyon, bumalik ako doon, same profile picture, same account, nakita ko si Tami doon 1 week sa pagbalik ko doon. Ang daming mga ano guys, hindi ko alam kung yung dating site na yan is okay pa ba. Ang pangalan po niya is hotornot.com. Isang word lang yun, and then .com. Yun lang yun siya. At 1 week nakilala ko si Tami. Nakakatuwa nga yung first ano namin kasi yung picture niya is very Italian yung picture niya guys. And then mga nasa 40s siya. Yung nakilala ko siya 48 siya. And then 48, 49. Yun, yung picture niya is very Italian, guapito ba? So sabi ko, hala, sige. Kasi yung dating site na yun is, ano lang siya, guys. Ang i-click mo lang is yes or no. Kung ayaw, napangitan ka sa nakita mong profile picture, mo si Tami, yes. Ginayes ko yan siya, guys. So, yun siya. And then, dahil yung picture niya is half body lang, nung palagi na kaming nag-usap, sabi ko sa kanya, pwede bang magpadala ka ng picture na whole body? Kasi gusto na ako ma-sure na meron siyang mga paa. Sigurista din ako guys. So, niguro ta. Dapat na yung mga paa para makatindog ug makapag kijud joke lang. Ay, so yun siya guys. So, kaya natawa lang ako kasi yung picture niya pinadala sa akin after 1 month later. Kasi hindi siya alam. Alam niyo ba, nung nakilala ko itong asawa ko, that was 2008, diba? Yung cellphone niya is, guys, yung Motorola. Motorola na, hindi pa kasi uso yung mga keyboard, yung mga touchscreen talaga. Ang pinaka-touchscreen noon, guys, is Nokia. Nokia na sobrang mahal, 400, na pangit, guys. Yun yung sa akin. And then, ang pinaka-usong cellphone noon is BlackBerry. So ang cellphone ni Tami is ganun. So, wala pang cellphone na mga selfie ganito. Wala, guys, wala. Ano pa yun? Laptop, guys. Nagpadala siya sa akin 1 month later, guys. Nakita ko, wow, gwapo pala talaga at may 2 paa. So, yun, kaya sabi ko, sige, mag-meet tayo. Ganyan yung nangyari. Kayo, hindi lang yung hitsura. Dapat makita niyo kompleto yung kamay, kompleto yung paa. Yun. So, yun talaga yung pinaka-concern ko. Kung meron ba siyang paa. Kasi lahat ng mga picture na sinisend niya sa akin at nandun sa profile sa dating site is nakaupo siya, guys. Wala akong nakitang paa. So, si Inday Maria na sigurista, gusto ko nga, dili ko maguyod-guyod o gano. Dapat may paa talaga. So, kaya sabi ko sa kanya, send me a picture, whole body. Ana siya, guys, sa laptop, guys. Oh. May remote control yung laptop, guys. Gana siya. Chiyuk, Hindi ko alam kung malagay ko ba yung picture dito. Basta, mauna na siya. Doon kami nagkilala. O, grabe si Inday Miri. Ang gipangutana lang gani ka kung saan kayo nagkikilala. Pati yung mga paa kung... Ganyan po mag-storytelling, guys. Kung ano lang yung darating sa utak ko, yun na. But anyway, sinababa yun. Kaya malibang pa ako.